Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna salad from a can. First, open your can of tuna and drain it thoroughly. You want to remove as much liquid as possible to prevent a watery salad. Once drained, transfer the tuna to a mixing bowl. Use a fork to gently flake the tuna apart, ensuring there are no large chunks. This creates a consistent texture for your delicious salad. Now, let's add the core flavors. To your flaked tuna, incorporate 2 tablespoons of your favorite mayonnaise. Next, for that essential crunch and freshness, add 1/4 cup of finely diced celery. Finally, to introduce a delightful tang and a hint of sweetness, stir in 1 tablespoon of sweet relish. Mix these ingredients well until everything is evenly combined. With your main ingredients mixed, it's time to season. Start with 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper to enhance the overall taste. Then, add 1/8 teaspoon of salt, but remember to taste and adjust as needed. For an extra touch of color and a subtle, smoky note, you might consider adding a dash of paprika. Mix everything thoroughly one last time. Your perfect tuna salad is now ready to enjoy. It's incredibly versatile. You can serve it on toasted bread for a classic sandwich, scoop it onto crackers for a quick snack, or even enjoy it in a lettuce wrap for a lighter option. This recipe is simple, delicious, and always a crowd pleaser. For easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.